So today we will discuss on the topic what are ketone bodies and how ketone bodies are synthesized and utilization of ketone bodies. So we will start with what are ketone bodies. So ketone bodies are the metabolic product, and when in higher amount breakdown of fatty acid takes place, then these ketone bodies are produced. Acetoacetate, acetone and beta hydroxybutyrate are the ketone bodies, while acetoacetate and acetone are the true ketone bodies. Acetone and beta hydroxybutyrate are known as second ketone bodies because these are synthesized or produced from acetoacetate, which is the first ketone bodies. Ketone bodies acetone and acetoacetate are detected or identified in urine by the Rothras test, and in case of beta hydroxybutyrate it is detected by modified Rothras test. The normal concentration of ketone bodies produced is less than 1 mg per dl. So now we will see how ketone bodies are synthesized. Ketone bodies synthesis takes place in mitochondria in the liver. Ketone bodies are mainly synthesized in two conditions. First, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, and second, starvation. So, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. What is diabetes mellitus? There is decrease of glucose by the cell due to the deficiency of insulin in diabetes mellitus. So, lipolysis which generate fatty acid and that gives acetyl-CoA. And as there is large amount of acetyl-CoA produced, then the deficiency of oxaloacetate takes place, which gives ketone bodies synthesis. And hence ketone bodies are synthesized in diabetes mellitus. And in case of starvation, second, while in starvation there is decrease of glucose. So as there is decrease of glucose, the oxaloacetate is diverted or forced for the synthesis of glucose. So there is deficiency of oxaloacetate due to the diversion of oxaloacetate, and increased production of acetyl-CoA, which lead to ketone bodies synthesis. So now we will see the cycle of synthesis of ketone bodies. When acetyl-CoA in presence of enzyme thiolase, it gives acetoacetyl-CoA. Okay, so when acetoacetyl-CoA in presence of enzyme HMG-CoA synthesis, CoA means coenzyme, it gives HMG-CoA enzyme. Okay, so when HMG-CoA in presence of HMG-CoA enzyme lyase, it gives acetoacetate, and acetoacetate is split into two steps further. When acetoacetate in presence of enzyme acetoacetate decarboxylation, it gives acetone, and when second acetoacetate in presence of enzyme NADH beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase, it gives beta hydroxybutyrate. Okay, so hence ketone bodies are synthesized. So now we will see how ketone bodies are utilized. The utilization of the ketone bodies takes place by the extrahepatic tissue of the body. So now we will see the cycle. Okay, when beta hydroxybutyrate in presence of enzyme dehydrogenase, it gives acetoacetate, and when acetoacetate in presence of enzyme thioporase, it gives acetoacetyl coenzyme CoA. When the acetyl-CoA gives acetyl-CoA by the release of the enzyme coenzyme. Okay, so hence the ketone body utilization takes place. So now when in blood the ketone bodies increases, that causes ketonemia, and when in case of urine the ketone bodies increases, that causes ketonuria, and the both term ketonemia and ketouria is commonly known as ketosis. Okay.